You guys are really trying. Anyway, guys, I'm Mayeni. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday. Please take care of yourself and be safe. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. Usbindi and Mpumelelo Mseleku posted this picture. Under the picture, he went on to say that na intombi baba madota umaga spindi. For those who don't know, this is Mseleku's second wife. So under the comment section, people are saying that is Mindy, please, you need to listen to your mother. She will never, to show you the wrong direction. And people are saying that you got the best mother. Please take her advice. She loves you more than anyone else. So people are really saying that Mayeni, she's a very intelligent woman. Mpumelelo need to listen to her. We all know that Mayeni, she's going through a lot, especially the fact that she has to raise Mpumelele's kids. Although according to the culture, obviously it's a normal thing. If your son has kids outside marriage, obviously as a mother you don't have a choice but to make sure that you take care of the kids. The people are really proud of Mayeni to say that if Mpumelelo could listen to Mayeni, you know what, he will make the better decision. But we all know that Mpumelelo obviously listened to his father, who is a Muslim Mseleku. Obviously, he wants to be like his father. So many times, Mpumelelo saying that he wants this temple. Although his mother was saying that, yes, I do understand Vuyokazi's frustration. The fact that she has kids with you, now you want to take another woman. Mayeni, she's been honest from the day one. She even went on to say that whenever she was having that time, when she was having a meeting with Vuyokazi, she was honest with Vuyokazi. She did not even lie. She was like, it's up to you. End of the day, it is your choice to make, guys. So anyway, guys, like I can see you guys are really trying. You really want Speedy to be a better man. I mean, to take Vuyokazi as a first wife. Or you guys really want Vuyokazi in. You want him to make the bad decision, the good decision. I'm sorry not to say the bad decision, but end of the day, it is up to him, guys. Just because your mother is a pastor, it does not mean that you can be a pastor. Only you decide yourself if you want to be a pastor, honey. Just because your mom, she's a doctor, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get level 7 and go become a doctor. I hope you guys understand. But anyway, guys, I'm just gonna say that Mayeni, she is the best mother in the world. Like, she has tried so many times to give her son the direction. This is how you need to be done. At the end of the day, she's the woman. Obviously, these are type of people, they don't listen to women. They will tell you that the women don't know anything, only their fathers know. No wonder why every time, whenever Mayeni tries to give Mpumelelo advice, he would just look at it and just throw it away. At the end of the day, he believes that he is a man. I mean, Mpumelelo is just 23 years old. He does not know life as the way he claims to know life. But when you look at him, you can just tell what this boy, he's still young. There's a lot of things he needs to learn and come to life. Yes, he's making his own money through music, DJing, and other stuff. I don't know if he has a security business or maybe he has what, but he is doing something. But when it comes to life, there's a lot of things that Mpumelelo needs to learn. But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, guys, do you think Mpumelelo, you know what, he didn't even respond to those people who were saying that he should listen to his mother? He just did not respond. Maybe today he's not in the mood to respond. One thing about Mpumelelo, what I've noticed is that he does not listen to anyone. He only listens to himself. Vuyokazi was right about him. But anyway, guys, tell me the question. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. God bless you. Bye, guys. It keeps on trying, guys.